Hello, Professor Hoyt. Today I'm going to be talking about the impact of malaria and other diseases and how I would reduce the disease effect on our human population and vaccination mandates. So malaria, as we have discussed and watched TED Talk videos on and did a class lecture on, has had a huge impact on the entire globe. It has killed over 300,000 people every year. And especially in third world countries, because they just stopped caring. They don't have the transportation, they don't have the money for doctors and for the vaccinations for it. So it's a really big killer, and it is the leading disease for our globe. So 3 things that I would do, actually 4 things, is increase testing on animals that are closely related to humans. I know that this is a controversial topic, but I believe that, it's us or them, and we have to make a sacrifice. I think we should really focus on population control for animals that are causing these diseases, such as mosquitoes. These are insects that, we could definitely do population control on. Higher sanitation standards and early warning signs that are better broadcasted to the public, such as the flu or COVID. If you know, very simple early warning signs, then we should better broadcast that to the public who are also in areas that may not get to see the news every day, or don't get the newspaper, Regarding vaccines, vaccines should not be mandated. This goes against the freedom of America, and there's also a belief for a lot of people about vaccination and autism, and there have been many case studies where kids who get vaccinated somehow get autism, or they get really sick. And I do believe that some vaccinations are absolutely amazing, but you can't mandate every single vaccination, and that also goes against a lot of people's religious beliefs, and especially when the vaccination came out for COVID and a lot of jobs started mandating that. I know a lot of people lost their jobs because of their religious beliefs, or because of what certain vaccines did to their kids or their parents, and them getting autism, and it was just really hard for people, and that was just not fair for a lot of people. So for this discussion prompt, I think it's really important to know that there's a lot of diseases out there that have been pandemics and that we're just not focusing on anymore because we think it's over, but they're still out there, and we need to be aware of what causes it, what the symptoms are, how to stay preventative from that, how to be sanitized, the statistics are on that, and how to keep our families safe if there is a vaccination, and how safe and federally recognized the vaccination is, such as is it approved and recommended by the World Health Organization, by the CDC, is it approved in the state that you're living in, and stuff like that. So I think that's super important, and I just think that it's something that we should all really do our research on and really care about, especially for our well-being, and our kids' well-being, our parents, and just our family in general. Thank you.